ain't one thing, it's another. Back at it again. I know I was smelling coolant, and I saw some dripping under the car. This was pushed back a little bit. I tried to push it in, push it down on there, reclamp it. Nope. Dead. You can see it running out a little bit. That little nipple is broken. So, you know what I gotta do. Take this off, move this so I can get this out the way, and get this squared away and put in a new one. So that's what I'm talking about right there. You can see it. So, got to get to work. There's the culprit right there. Cracked. All right. So, here we go with the new. That's the hose that I need to reattach right there. These clamps worked my nerves, but we got it. The power steering pump actually attaches right on there and hangs with it. So bear with me. I don't have a cameraman. It's just me. We're gonna get this back in and get it going. All right, got everything together. Now we're about to turn it on and leave the top off, run it for about 20 minutes, bleed all the air out. One moment. Everything running smoothly. Just let it run. Give it about 20 minutes. Bleed all the air out. And be ready to go to work tomorrow. Holla at y'all. Peace.